everyone! In this video, we're turning our button from the last video into a reusable component with properties and variants. Ready? Let's get started. If you worked through the last tutorial with me, you've got this button ready to go. If not, no worries. Grab the starter file from the link in the description and follow along. Let's turn this button into a component. Select it, head to the design panel, and on the top, click the 4-diamond icon. Look, the button's icon in the layers panel has turned into a component icon. Plus, it's now in the assets panel too. Let's pull out an instance of the component. Another option to create an instance is to duplicate the component. If you go to the layers panel, you'll notice the icon changes to show it's an instance. Now I'm gonna add a property to our component. The first property that we're gonna add is a text property. If I select the text and go to the design panel, click me, hover over it, and click on this little icon. Now hit the plus button to add a property. Let's make sure it's set to property, not variant. Name it whatever you like. I'll go with text. And set the value to click me. Now pick the instance, go to the design panel, see the text property under the button. Let's switch it to tap me. It updates right away. And thanks to auto layout, the button shrinks to fit. If I duplicate this instance a few times, select them all, change the property, they all update together. Pretty cool, right? The other property that we're gonna add is a Boolean. Boolean is a yes, no, or true, false option. I'll grab the icon, go to the design panel, under appearance, see that little icon again, click it to create a property. Name it anything you like, I'll call it icon, and set it to true. Now in the design panel, there's a new property under the button. Toggle it on or off to show or hide the icon. Okay, now let's add some variants to the component. Let's move this instance aside for now. I select the main component and in the top of the design panel, click Add Variant. Let's name it hover, adjust the color, and I'm gonna tweak the corner radius a little. Now, when the instance is selected, we can switch to this variant. Let's make another variant. If I select the whole set and click the plus button, the main component duplicates. But let's undo this. Now, if I select the variant and hit the plus button, see, the variant duplicates. Let's call this one disabled and give it a softer color. And that's it, a reusable button component with properties and variants. Next time, we'll add an instance swap property to our button. Thanks for joining me. Until next time, elevate and create.